All right, we have a air compressor, 2-gallon tank, 110 psi, air compressor that will not turn on. Plugged in, nothing happens. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take off this switch, plug it first, and take off this switch right here. And how to do that, just get a flathead. Pops out, and I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the switch. All right, so I removed the switch. I had some spare wire in the basement. Just cut it like that, and you just jump it from the black wire to the red wire, and if I plug it in, it should work.